I've discovered an amazing new way to grow sweet peas from seed that is better for the plants and better for the planet. It's using this new product, a wool pot. It's a plant pot that's made up from sheep's wool that is fully biodegradable, so it does away with the dreaded plastic. And because you plant the whole thing in the ground, it minimizes the root disturbance, so the plant gets away to a seamless start and grows away quickly. My seedlings grew really well in the wool pots and looked just as healthy as those grown in plastic pots. When I came to plant them out, the wool around the sides and base was just disintegrating nicely to form a natural fertilizer for the roots, which were evenly spaced out around the root ball. Compare this to the roots in the plastic pots, which had coiled round to form a tight ball, which I had to pull out before I planted them, which made these plants much slower to establish. A final added bonus was that the rim of the wool pot is the last bit to disintegrate, and as slugs hate crawling over wool, it acted as a slug deterrent for the young plants. To find out more about growing sweet peas in wool pots, click on the link in the description to this video to read our blog on this topic, and please do follow us at the3growbags.com.